In my cities, the trade of epitaphs is in full swing. My people have forsaken the days, month, and years. Here only anniversaries of explosions are celebrated. My poets, in front of the cakes of anniversaries, bend and bow themselves. When standing afar I curse on their reciting of panegyrics. The folk begin to tear into rags my dress amid the bazaar, and I cover my body with the leaves of my words, and then the world seems to me naked like a nude. I am confronting a tragedy, in front of which my poetry is helpless, without extremities. The sycophant poets have got fixed horns with their couplets, and their hands are encroaching the collar of poetry. I am engrossed in the lost relations. My hearing goes through the pangs of pollutions of creativity. Ah! I behold darkness descending into radiance of the milky day. My people have lost their freedom and joy, and my literature, finding slumbering survival in dreams,